Hey everybody, so we're going to show you what things we picked up for a project from Home Depot. This is also attached to the project for the Lowe's video before this, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so this video is going to be attached to the, well, it's not going to be attached, but it is technically a part of the Lowe's video before this, because it's the same project. Ooh, almost knocked the camera over. Take all this stuff out the bag. Alright, so I was suggested to use these over Tapcons because I have old, very, very old block for my house, and it has a tendency to disintegrate when you drill it. So they suggested to use these types, these duo power, which I've picked these up before. And in block, these will hold up the 8 and 12, the bigger one, this big one. It will hold up to like 270 pounds, which I'm not putting much in it. It's just going to be this box and this transformer, this step-down transformer. So it's not going to be like a huge amount of weight. I picked up a 3/16 Bosch brick and block bit, which is BM2003. This duo power contractor strength anchor kit is 376476. I picked up a 3/16, same size as this one, but it's a different Bosch bit. This is a all-in-one bit. It does brick, block, looks like tile, wood and tile, PVC, wood, metal, as well as the 1/4 inch multi-purpose bit, concrete, tile, stone, plastic, metal. Yeah. I picked up Christie's Red Hot Blue Glue, PVC pipe cement, because the only one Lowe's had was the giant one that was like 30 bucks. I didn't want the big one. And then I also got this hole dozer, which is 1 1/4 inch. It's 49-56-9664. Which this one is actually open, because I cut it open earlier. Just so you guys can see it. Got this impact hole saw, which is 49-56-9820, which is 1 1/8. This one is 1/4 inch shank, and this one's 3/8 shank. There's also a 7/16 shank, as well as these two, which is the same as these two down here. This is a 5/16, and this is a 3/8. So the part numbers for these, this little 3/16 4-inch brick and block bit is BM2003. The 3/16 right here, multi-purpose 6-inch is MP03, Mary Paul 03. This one is 1/4 inch is Mary Paul 06. The 5/16 is Mary Paul 09, and the 3/8 is Mary Paul 12. So these are everything that I picked up from Home Depot. A lot of these were the second and third time. This was the fourth time. These two were only at Queen Creek store, the 3/8 and 5/16, and the Casa Grande store only had the 3/16 and 1/4 inch, and this one. And then this one I bought this morning, really early this morning, like 6, 7 o'clock this morning. I think it was like 7:30 or something. So this was the first trip. These two were the first trip to the Casa Grande Home Depot. This was the Casa Grande Home Depot earlier, second trip. This one was the third trip, right here, and fourth trip, the last two. So it's been a really frustrating day trying to get everything that I need. And this is to install this DoorBell transformer. I have the PVC pipe sitting right here, 2 pieces from the Lowe's video, as well as this PVC pipe from the Lowe's video, as well as this conduit wire, which is 14 gauge solid. There's black and white, and I ripped them out of, the Lowe's rip was nice, and he gave me like 4.5 feet. He marked on this 3 feet. I'll move this. He marked on it 3 feet, and it's actually like 4.5, almost 5 feet. But he's like, the cheapest thing, because this was only like $2.80 for this. He's like, just rip the 2 that you need out of it. So that's what I did, is I actually cut all the way down the side and pulled those 2 out of this one. Everything that was picked up. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully this is a little bit shorter than the Lowe's video. I'm not going to cut all these open at the moment. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'm just showing you what I'm working on and what project I'm doing. This is for the PVC. This is for the wall. Either one of these two is going to work for what I need. I grabbed this one to maybe test it out and see if you know, I can get away with a 1 1/8. If I can't, 1 1/4 is what I got. And this box states what bits it needs. You need a 5/16, a 1/4, and a 3/16 for what's in this box. And then I decided I wanted to give this brick and block one a try, because if I like this one, then I'll get the 12 pack. They have a 12 pack or 8 pack or something like that for 20 bucks. And if I like these, then I'll buy the individuals, because they don't make these specifically in a big pack. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will show you guys the project when it's done. I'm not gonna record that. It's too hot outside. Camera won't last very long, and you know, I don't need to bore you with drilling and mounting and, you know, fabrication and making sure everything fits before I mount it and blah blah blah. But I'll show you guys when it's done. I do appreciate you guys' time. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. At least I'll get to use the hammer function on the one key. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.